Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, especially for clothes.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at department stores.
How often do you go shopping?
About once a month.
What's your favorite store?
My favorite store is the department store.
Do you shop online?
Yes, I shop online sometimes.
What was the last thing you bought?
I bought a new pair of shoes.
Do you like to try things on?
Yes, I always try on clothes first.
Are you looking for anything specific?
I need some new clothes.
What size do you wear?
I usually wear medium.
Do you have this in blue?
Yes, it comes in blue.
How much does this cost?
It's $60, but it's on sale.
Can I get a discount?
Sorry, the price is fixed.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, cards are accepted here.
Can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Yes, within 20 days with the receipt.
Where's the fitting room?
It's right over there.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Would you like the receipt?
Yes, I'll keep it just in case.
Is there a warranty on this?
Yes, it comes with a 1-year warranty.
When does the sale end?
The sale ends this Friday.
Can you hold this for me?
Sure, for how long?
What time do you close?
We close at 10 o'clock p.m.
Is there another location?
Yes, we have 4 stores in the city.
Can I speak to the manager?
Of course, I'll get her for you.
Do you like shopping with your family?
Yes, I do.
What do you buy most often?
I usually buy clothes.
Do you like buying toys?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you like buying books?
Yes, I love books.
Do you need new shoes?
Yes, I do.
Are these shoes comfortable?
Yes, they are very comfortable.
Do you like this bag?
Yes, it's nice.
Is this too big?
No, it's the right size.
Can I see another one?
Sure, here you go.
Do you have a different color?
Yes, we do.
Which one do you like better?
I like the blue one better.
Is this your favorite store?
Yes, it is.
Do you come here often?
Yes, about once a month.
Is this item new?
Yes, it just arrived.
Do you want to buy it?
Yes, I do.
Are you happy with your purchase?
Yes, very happy.
Is there a sale today?
Yes, many items are on sale.
Can I pay in cash?
Yes, you can.
Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I do.
Did you find everything you needed?
Almost everything.
Would you like some help?
Yes, please.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Will you come back again?
Yes, I will.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.